baramwe byazuye mu district kushana na report yahire parliament nuru kwenda kugira ngo bundi biraje tube kwatirwe najya kunka kandi nacyo kacabe kirengere bwe ntubuza baram nuwe champion now aini abana baramukwase urutarunza gumizamu nari no kangamu then tukagaruka mbere za gutosha so nza kubuza abamwene bakora na government abari yaha abana ba lawyer abana observe kwetegereza government marire kurwanisa ubushomankuzi studios nyino mwamitori nawe John naraga NRM naraga busongora John twakwakira program Elizoba nyino mwami Amonor Barema narago PFF ikigombe cyakubikiri cya Dr. Besije ngoko bigombe twubyeterera abatandiki konka umwembezo wacu no rukwagonosha nyino mwami Honorato Muhanguzi no lawyer konka twira ibi gutegeke nabimanye so utakuza vuga ngo nkaro ya cyonka inshonga benazireba nyine pole katwire karamuzi ubwo na assistant resident state commissioner abwambara city central kandi ni member mukuru ompero yu akana agenda na minister Barama so naza kutuhereza first hand experience ibyarebire nabakira basebo jo nabantu batuhereye ndamusyo abakuru rimoro mu seconds buke. Thank you. Omukuru amoni abantu niyo banze hoti.
Abatureba n'abakuringa live masiba kurongera sigomwa Monero Barema nzaro ya Karamurana Ngoma Kabra Town Council Rwampara East Rwampara District umhagizikana kana mwembezo mu kibena cya People's Front for Freedom kandi ntangira bareba bona kandi mbatwise shara ko muri amagwe birebe kozo mukomanya munywano witu kandi munywano wa bingi Dr. Kiza Besije is almost ariya kuza kumara kwezi ariyo mukoma atagamba atakutambura atakweyamba atecyo busasi ari ruza
Honorato bantu henda musyo
abariyo mutureba hambahoza TVG aheruka ikabona musibire kurungi amazina niraka nabanyeta Muhanguzi Honorato ndi umunyamahoro wahumwire kandi ndi umunyamateka arugakora akagashubura akaginterpretinga kandi akayamba abana.
Thank you. Commissioner abantu bahenda musyo
yabare nomba wa moderator mpaka musho nakire kuri mu studio uko waga amazina gani nataka tuje kuri Karamuzi ngo bara sisi yabambara site kandi baraka wagamba ikintu ngo ndi umuntu mukuru ompero yo nambashatu na mushanju 037 so kandi ari mu shogo nyakira abantu mwe n'abageni batureba kandi mwikirize mutejya mato muri utazagamba ni mwabazi bari munongo.
Okay, abakutureba takagira nshonga ya tureta ndwenda kutayeshara zitu abo bantu batoro icyandike cyashobora kurugombo kama cyanshigera ngo mukama oyo nyimba akaba megura arwire tarije mwene mwongere kumutera yeshara ubundi akatebekana kwa kubugire kindi kitwamanya ngo ubundi yabaje otherwise nacyo nza kushigambira nkatayari with for now let's keep him in prayers. Commissioner kutakutandaka niwe Honorable Barama kijambara yaza bweju yaza isingiro yaza mutoma uko umwene nkahinangaye
yabare mnonga oma moderator nkoko kukimanya ngo ndiyo mwebembezo umupiro yo National Party of Uganda kandi ukimanya ngo hona be minister wa government ukitinsa Barama Garatenyi is the national vice chairperson wa PRU aboburengero izobo so atawana abaru mukama wangi on both sides and I want to kugambira ngo Honorable Baramu yabare minister wa government nikibani kimanyisa na serving two principles. The first principle and second principle. The first principle is His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. And the second principle is General MK, the CDF of Uganda, and the chairperson of Patriotic League of Uganda ba Minister kuyashyiromu because akaza Mbara City nto yatandikire twaza Isingiro twaza Hweju twaza hamwe na Mtoma district twahereze tukaenda tukatwina n'umupira umurishema konkanye ndagambira abantu abageni batureba. First of all kam twari mu shogo na special note mbaze kusima abantu mwena okukira mnonga Patriots mu area zezo ezi minister yagiremu okumwamwakire no kumwashemererwe ndagambira abantu abageni batureba ishaheji nkareba turn up y'abantu abizire kwakira honorable minister ubona amanyero ngo abantu bitu bindi bizubu ubona amanyero ngo ground abantu bindi bizubu konka batababuzuri babugambira so ko batongere that chance iba kweta ngo barazaz zo exposing corrupt officials in the midst of government no departments izindi abantu stand up in big numbers ndagamba tukasiba ntambure tawuni yamba rege kuko hari abantu bakura telefone ari minister bo wazenja mukabrenda mu mahuru abantu okakereba kutwashira Isingiro kuruga kuza kuzisingiro tukagenda shagazinga abantu bari macaro y'umuhanda bamutegereze kumwakira ukano shangu ninka papa akwa indegateka papa no nekitisa cy'abana umuyango umusiyona abantu kwene bakira hona minister ebizo bibaye bagamba abantu bita barukubi nyenda kusima His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda and the CDF and the Chairman of Uganda General MK aba exporting baram ngwamto ministry ni nyushika yize barabagira ngwampa ministry some people bakamukuritsizing mutakuza kujibasa ngage nagambira His Excellency the President Museveni sometimes nakoswa Holy Spirit is always guided by the Holy Spirit in that guidance yatungire kurwo Holy Spirit nashumu umoyo kwera akaturana the right person and who is doing a very good job so far. Ngenda kugambira kutwashire Mbara City inomanya some corrupt officials abo ashangire bine mzubu bine memshango they were interdicted so indugambira anti-corruption status anti-corruption egene batondoza kwa ize kutondoza mazaksa bitinga file zabo wa DPP zibe sanction they will be taken to court nayo tugire hona ko kanye nagambira abantu bayene batureba people have been issues nyingi munonga abantu bene bizuboko I don't know think manya habo kwanyo kina rero no twakabohuni okakireba abana batayituna baraza mukabere abantu ko abantu batababuzeri babasagambira bizubu yabo yendagambira if you can given a chance and we continue with this baraza zo mihangariona yendagambira corruption eza kuruga mihango
commissioner yes twantusime imirimo y'ibara makozere office ya RDC umworukora
yes
kani yakubera inyambara kurebyo by'abantu kurwanza bo busho office yegitahane kora
niyenda kugambira
abo nki nimwe mutangire
niyenda kugambira hata nareba minister kwa kwijo mushweka minister nabeina mani wagategereza and for us izo tukora barazaza because twine mandate ya barazaza so barazaza zeze za mobilization za resources dore mushabana za kuje kuri ne bidongo bye kada kabiriza government ya nyonka baramu I have made money mu government eji government kampereza usinge balete very good nankane political environment na kwese nzanja mu rich let me offer iyo mabyanje ngubitambire nabyo ko gayi ndagambara samara disease abenyi bayine bakora and yes even we share to limited by resources we don't have enough money muntaringa bintebi ikindi cyakabi cy'Rwanda Boaz na mwawe no shanga honorable bala minister yazayo no shanga report zirgankai mu office za bala disi amana disozi because honorable minister takwasa kora bankati na bantabo by information for example Mbara City information ga ishimukeni ya rigiri
when reports zanyu
yes we know what to give reports ugato ngona mana amwe ruene ja kugambira RDC toka kwato mwese akakuba abantu bakibona mwesige James cyane uyaba akakuba abantu bangemba arasita ko kabiki twarasingira mushanga twaragireyo ubwo nize kuba nabwo akoze na manyeberagira so nenda kugambira eze baraza zaguza mu ihanga ryitu nenda gambira itugambira abakozi ba government they are panicking
wagira ngo kuzaragumizemo
zagumizamo.
That sounds like an if.
Yes.
No,
because I'm not sure, but when the president yesterday kwa na gamba aizengweze baraza zo exposing corrupt officials of government naza kuzongera mamari actually ubwo mbaza ategera iyo para difference ubwo ngombazi.
Honorat yabare commission abaku tureba ni mabari yaha program yegera naha Radio 5 kina na mwenda katonyeza mushanjo fama ko rwo mutawo nusheri so ubundi abantu bona abakura Radio 5 program yeje bajurira nawo so we are both on air radio na TV so pore no wachurhura so abanyuka kaikoti nakaraza
abakaraza bakayikote bite nabaramutse
bahura umwana wanyu
muyabare ukurikiza
yabare DJ Kanyamo kutaho program yeje Radio 5 Honorato abamwene bine reservations aha mucheta modus operandi enkora ibara marakoresa na mere ngubundi era high handed area arbitrary tekora taramateka therefore ngo abantu babakwasirwe abemereze bwamira mu basabuzo mu koti bije basinge government kandi government bashashuri hariho ebitagenzere byo mu nkora y'amateka mu kurwanza ubushumanguzi
yabare mnonga bana baturikiza nabanyeta muhanguzi Honorato ati ekirungi katwire yatandakaje yatugambira ngo President Museveni akayamba umwoyo rukwera
kutora na baramu
yamuhamageze kutora na baramu konke kibuzo cyo nkibuza baramu nwe yabandaze baramu bargahare atenyi nwe yabandaze twareba commission zamani umuyabo hakanwe yasebutinde ekakoraki wachurecho ekakoraki results zaye zargira muzira
into URA and into police
twashuma tuiza ya Catherine bamugemerire akakoraki
umuyonura mulandizi KCC
muri yagonja akagira byakora arahi
n'umunamuzi wa
owechti nasa ogwang owabara minister state minister wa economic planning by then na wakaza handinda azichukachukura hata naba kwata timba rukubi abi yakwasere barahiba kakoma hati hizire barambargahara owa Piero yu oreserwe mutumuru kwera naba bakwasere bari ya street ne bari.
Is that true?
Yes. Yirukanga katandikiro munose nakanga na yirukana agira kuyatanche naza kwikambarra naza kwiko mu Western Uganda bamujyango utakizira banze kore ni turchiko aka concede injira immediate yabanza yababugana nozika ngo biro bitana kababugana kuyahereze kubabugana hati yaba compromised na unyondi yoni impereza submission yanjye na leka kurizire hati twanturwana ene attempt kurwana senguzi ningishemererwa oberimbi obernungi konkesheme kurga mutanje burzarts wajedegereza hato wichtin sabar gahara akasigabari yirukanga n'abatume torukubasa kusigaba bacyamenero C5 ngo wayemereye akabuza ngo bishanantare district nindiye byasho ninge byanyoko owabuhwejo ngo numwenda ndiyeki
umuhatizi
yijahambarra abakuriyantu bamanya banyagera amataka ga kanso abarire sente z'imhanda abarokona ivinga nabandi yabasigaho nabareba no baye barbaye MC yamukoro yazisinjiro nangu isinjiro bamba kabashekinga abo kuba empire kuramburingire abo kubisinjiro habe haraho bushuma burye exaggerated
industrial scale buriya industrial scale
bubebura level kindi omuntu kuriya kagaruka kabashekera omuntu bakasindika sente z'oruguuto turukozirwe tine necuruho kongo kahurura ngo sente zashohora kandi zaribu ngeze zikwija towards the end
isingiro niyo bene singo mwihanga
kandi niyo ngo niyo kusingo munsi yona nkakibuza ndi already yemu mtown nababuza ngo isingiro eri kutunga first grade ekijo mucyo kubanza yane shanka kuri yeri kwererwa yene shaki urushure bakamuyora ntureba bajyango abinta addicted kao ahabo kuba ogonuwe omugabekazi w'obushumu isingire yikumanya
honorable lawyer ntumango umuntu ya nanatekateko toshimujya ngo n'umushumu
kashati bakamukwatana gujo bamwita addicting bakwata obutare obwabe buruho mateka gagwira
interdiction ni conviction or lawyer you are better than me
ari yankore nagira ngo waza kurakika nakachumba aha simpa baharwikara
she's only a suspect
yes hati omuganda najyango kiwomereze kizarenkenku omba banaze ku interdicting aramu
powerful as she was
powerful as she is omuntu atwe na presiding over district eri kuba namba yo kubanza umwihanga ryona now hati itwe mano bunkugamba hano bundi abendoroya konka ndiyo munyankore ndiyo mu Africa bakuterere ndurungungugwe nanye ninkwate kiti biriyo ryo mushumu wachetegereza hariko kibuzo cyo katwire yagoma nagira atanayebuza buza naho ninyenda kutwara umusho kusima katwire omisho gani katwire nakuba muhiro bwa RDC takahinduraga motoka na size yabayine neje kandi nebintu byintu bimanye byabayine konka nabagenda bakiraza RDC bamukwaso bwa RDC arunda n'abakuma bata pick up agaramo motoka kwa tesimu ya Ford 3 abantu we yakwatanisa n'abashumu bamusindika abantu we abo mugenye mukuru ahakwigura ruguto baronda rubura abo kuba ko ori akakwikati Jose kundambra ateba hasa yanjera nyobu nabe ndi munyamahurire nkambere uhura RDC nabuza tubishinaza kurambura ibyanje bira umvuze byawe uraba ko umuyumuru baju no mayita abanyamahurire to kugamba norebe serisho omwazi yo kamere baniyo ya reporting uri umuntu bakirize sente baza muhereza akika hariya urayiha ya leta forms man signing ntakagenze that itself echo no bushoma bwo kubanza
commission yakugira ngo hati cyunkiza kuhinduka
nshinduka kita echo kubanza tutwine kajeje na ka RDC
baramaye na mani korgo mu centers ibiri korgo wa president korgo wa CDF
yebare hata ho ntundu kwenda kutandika
abashuma nza kwatanga
borekere kugambereje hati korono enda kurwana so bushuma to kustamana mushuma ajunzire ko kubana urwana so bunuki noronda miza abantu banabo mungaro hati wana urwana so bushuma ningo bushomankuzi ningo buyayi bwo kuri sente za government nebyihanga notandikiro munzu yawe yoru banzo kwate enambi itane zukubanza umpiyeroyu harimo bayi ni MP baranga mawanda n'ubwo mawanda maranga nebindi okahurra bakabanza bamukomera heru yahikaha bamuswijuma ariya habeiru konkanwa ayekurire bendera nahuba higuru atkaramari we mwene Daudi
is still a suspect
fine koko babemba kabatalizire wawe oba bemba fuza kabatalizire wawe
owa kabiri
omutume kabanda yaturetera omwana w'omuntu both yamureta ahasuwani yamukwasa parliament engere yizuro kagireba that itself wara twaruzinga merit tutkarwana sambuzi.
So what is corrupt about it?
It is corrupt. It is corruption. Haskereta corruption akizata okare ko batwaraze hate shaheje no mujangu nanka kiba ko kama mwekizonoleti is a political will nkakutebeza
no statement ya General Kenogaba izengu amunji made mistakes tarayizengu store tarayizengu akiba izengu akakoresho and mistakes that's ambiguous tukamanya exactly akakora ki
abaturikize
mistakes basa kuba disobedience no agaze mistakes katukosebwa mu kukubize mistakes tayize ngo stop
borekere kimwombe zibite babemba buzaho ekere moto kerugura 2.5 billion Ugandan shillings Rolls Royce bakabuza ngwaka eze center kaziha hati
icyo cyari record ya koti
borekere hati nyecho kumusasa ni kimwe waza kwirukana kao waza kwirukana kamasho officer waza kwirukana RDC wasigaba abandaze ku interdicting abari aburi twine chitutu
ono tingwera kutahatamu kongana umanyangu Anita Mungi hata nabasa kutwara umuntu mukoti ako she has never been charged anywhere iyo ngaroye you are better than me and shongezi tuambara na evidence Anita Mungi tubakamucyagingaga for anything right
ate kirungi bro facts sinzigangwa nko kuziri nyo abayemba cyaginga mu abayemba kero makagemba kinga tindarebere naje umuntu a street muninga kagwiraro bakabine bakwita ngo management order bize kumutambirira no kumuha ibintu byayine kuko bakamba mu cyagingo ushuma misappropriation and embezzlement
wawasi abantu babiri wawasi ngo speaker bakamureta muri mubi both wakasha twagamba abantu batanu abariyo mpiro you ranks abo kutegateka ngo tubaye wazi kurwanisa ubushumanguzi wakasha
manya hata nakwereza y'abahanga hata nazo mbukushuma
nugwaka
konkata kishirokwe hata katurgari yaba kwa pero is not a political party is just a mushrooming pressure group katuzo mainstream ya NRM
urukije no hende
urugoro minister bachero mukasheshe bamcharging urwo kubanza akariyo budget cabinet meeting ya burman akabajiro parliament kachera yasensaringana muganza akariyo mu cabinet meeting mukasheshe nerizo atakaraga mu Maria Goro Tchitutu nango ogwe bakamweje karubaju twashanga vice president prime minister nabandi hata abo bakustama haite bo bakarise humi ibiro no musyo mulimu bakaba implicated omabatga gomukara moja
nango bakagiyicereza
bubicereza
aha unincereza
nitwe omateka tune ibakweta ngo confession wazo mukoti nkakutabarazo kaleta statement ari kugira ngo I agree nimata choza mshango ni invoking order 13 rule 6 njango babanze bampe judgment ari yece cyubikiriza dene bindi twesotinge bwanyu hati wabar prime minister then ni wacho ko prime minister hati akikiriza tamabati wabar minister wa finance atinyoka gashango mu compound hati ka compound yanje ne kumwembwa konke ya minister ine nabembundu hati kaga gurchega kagombe mbundu hati nyowembwa no jangu nanyebe
ebara nonat
mambo wakasa
so
kanyongere
urukenderanye ndakwakira John
abariyo mbatureba azebye mwe ntubuzanda mutubsheka konka that is where the moral fabric is apa ngagambira ngo wano enda kutero wenguzi iwo takishireka twirogo wa district bambe leka president amanza kwa minister ninga owechitini samhozi leka baza kwa minister nyokara musumye ruzira o ministry yatogaruka kushanga mushu abo kwa process yenguzi nerga higure rukushuma nabanyenda kugambira eki ngo president yana enda kurwana senguzi na kama na ame commander nabakwata abahangu ngakwereza science yo muntu wa prison ngo wa prison takasuburaga musibe nasuburaga na nkakaticiro katicira shumimwe uko nero waza kwika district no shanga ogofa gona bwirire
yebanonga John hari abantu abo kutekateka nka honorato ngoro rutaro agent season ya uko exciting abantu kunga tutoraheke aha mushokoro gukurwanisa abuse embezzlement diversion and general corruption as we know it. Are you as pessimistic?
Very good. Ate cyo kubanza twine kwikiraniza ngo abo bwira barengwa habw'ensonga enyingi ezitukumanya corruption etahe tulemererwa abaneremu nangwa no manifesto yetu ye2026 tukachandika plainly ha page 53 corruption ngo kitulemere na habw'ekyo kunu nyoni nso kweta okutembura tuliyo ntutembura obara halo abalisa abampulirize halo kugisa ubwira bumusana tukagiro tatente tatuziherwa mwanza ka mwenje haliyo musana mwinji katuzwale kazo atente zo bokubo gisize no shikera hakikomi kandi bokuba no tembura naliyo le hakikoma aho no soboro butabuza enju ya mabati veranda eri nkahi no soboro butabuza amasanyarazi line yago nerga nkahi abokuba uri mukutembura uri hakikomi okurwanisa kwa corruption okwa root weno ku kisanja kinu nukutembura nyowe in my view abokuba government egeragerezeho kurwanisa corruption in many forms. First, kuempoweringa ebitongole byo kurwanisa corruption ka IGG ngekitongole kiri mu State House nga Auditor General kuba autonomy nangwa no kuleta abantu abatutekereza ngo beine moral authority kanda beine aba public kutekereza ngo umuntu ugwa mazire ku ka level real so kugira ngo nyizire hano kurwanisa corruption kandi wakamuririza ebintu binu bikalema. So tutakashire hakuja kudiscussinga Balam Namere Fred ya Mukama ngire ngo tubanze turole history yetu yokurwanisa corruption nergahi kandi abagereze kukorata processes bakachivinga ebukwingana ki. That's number 1. Ensonga ya kabiri halo abantu abakugira ngo norora ngo muroko government ngo abantu bachakwa baliyo bahansi ba sub county chief manya bahi ngo nahabwecho abantu bache you can just ignore them. You can ignore nabo aba bagwire abo kuba sub county chief no bakuba lire milioni emwe yonka na ajili ya bulukwezi omwaka na lire milioni 12 kandi mu Uganda tuine egombora 12,000 so engombora 12,000 ezo kubozo multiplyinga mu buli omwe na ali milioni 1 milioni ya kuiba no sanga na wihanga rebulize esente zukumara eza kubene zikavaringa amasomero 10 na amasomero 5. So my issue is local government tuliche kujorora ha budget yayo. Yes, local government netwara budget ya 7.1 trillion obwesazino konko mu local government okunuho akwiza esente za masomero omasomero tuli mu 5.something trillion mu local government no akwiza sente za marwaro 6.3 trillion mu local government no akwiza sente zengude 8.7 trillion kubo bare sectors ina abukubezo ntuzeta service delivery sectors sectors ezitalenka foreign mission zaitu embassy balire center za embassy ya Dubai tulha services zikuleta obuhereza aha muntu obukiru obuhereza buno butukwenda ni base no masanyarazi ni ngude ni byobwegese ni byobomezi health. Local government no werabe one single ministry konka ezindi ministry zine budget nangwe kuchira na local government kandi yikuja umubyanga nicho kolora Balam obwakuba na interdicting amino bwakuba na kwata abasuma takwata abali umuleni ya local government yonga na kwata na abasaho bali health na kwata abasomesa bali education. So kuborora sectors ezina mu Uganda ziri ekiche muno ziri trillion 30 kuba Balam abana tuyamba mu sectors zino za trillion 30 obarana hebwayo trillion musanju na trillion mukaga Balam kuba tuyamba kusavinga trillion 3 n'abakozeri obuzibu habuli bulingu sustainability habuko abantu benje bakomba gambaho wamara kugira ngo uguno musuma what next kunka tubande tumanye operation yenu code name yayo neha
operation mariza ufisadi
agent ya MK yatandikira aba speaker enu expose the corrupt ya balamu ekumbajeta operation expose the corrupt. Now obutorant tuenda kukopa to peep into the KPIs of the president or yamutumire semeri kwebuza is balamu exposing the corrupt. Tuko tukimikitanda
it is exposing
his operation is exposed na baraza zona na yeta abantu you come and public na president omuchandiko cyo borao chandikire nawo nagira ngo na chagira kandi nagira ngo abantu kwiza bakagira ngo nyaborawe hariho buzubo bunobu kikire kimwe enkole ginye gumuzemo konkeje ne expose the corrupt. Hati step ya kabiri esemirire kuberi aba corrupt to have exposing what next hati no mukwizera okubatwara mu mateka kandi mu abatwara mu mateka government as a whole because argument yo kugira ngo twakwata obusumu twamuto mukoti kandi koti twa maybe asanga obujulizi bwitu nuburamu ya murekora yana habushizo tukozero gwitu koti yali makuru gwayo hata judgment ra yegwire because government esemirire kuruwa nke yekukora hamwe especially omufield nkeno yokubanza obusumankuzi konka yo mukoti oboyenda kubandisayo okutwara y'abasumankuzi banu ubo mukoto kubiri kurungi kanonso tukoti kandi yo obakoti aba including na ba lawyer bitu ababulikiro nga honorato utwina batakora government na abajaji na ba magistrate including na ba police special abakoze misango ejo katuboine bitongole bingi na auditor general report nerigayo ngo taloho akabasinga go mukuriye nguzo mu Uganda number 1 and number 2 for the last 30 years okuko aba baja kuyamba government kurwanise because aba as office ibiri taloho owarazitahire mu kuba wakabiri narugo kubanza zitanze banamba they have been competing number 1 number 2 number 1 number 2 police judiciary number 1 number 2 emyaka 30 halo harabasingire aba bata publicire buri mwana akimanya government ne kimanya na president na kimanya kandi hakarenga ho gakubaho reform kote keja tugambera ngo kumaraho congestion tukore ABCD kote keja tugambera ngo okumaraho emisango na case backlog tuje ADR alternative dispute resolution ya tugira ngo nyabara utongere ba judges ya gira ngo utongere zindi koti ahansoku hata na bushenye ine high court kasese ine high court koti abakwembembera koti tabakatugambera ngo mubazi ogo bajungire gukanga kukora hatwaterine ninguzo mukoti hatuko nargayo twije ha district aloko government of course banje bungwane bugamba bitabasemizi nitebukende now
10 John
ndio naasha dashika mukaga nyoni nye butayiminga hati halo office ya constitution ya teireho article 23 yataho office ya RDC interpretation ya agira ngo RDC no appointing president which is also not very true but it's somehow true hati office ejo niye biri kizivu
office ya RDC
ejo niyo omugwaterene ninguza ha district kuba office ya RDC taterezebwa the rest we are wasting time habo kuba balamu tasoku balamu kubo gira ngo every day abe natambura mu district include mu district nikimanisa ngo nikimwetagisa ebiro 10 ana na mukaga kujyo mu district emwe obarya garko muliendi ntaba hahwira hameza ngahi so balamu banu abakugira ngo uitwe nitwe ba president ba district tuko batahana tugira na hamajenyi president wa district kaizire minister kandi minister na president umuguru no ngumbuzi boas
nakweta hato kuza kumbu
ni mani nganyamba kuyambangana ifika tuyambangana
ninye modere
okubanye da reka tukole itwe tuzire gukora so reka tukole let us work itwe na tuja hapo kukasa niwe na nyowe no PF na katui itwe na tuja gukora so
nakweta ga expert hatikari kunda
abasente batanu batugambira nyowe president wa district
bitecho no habe na kigali
nakugambira muzakana babeta na baye
nibajawune
tuliyo nora kugambira rimba ndiyo niyo president wa district toro ko witu babeta umukwenda wa president kale umukwenda wa president twikiriza heizire balamu kasase region yasangireho yona
Iyo
neba heta president olo minister yet president wa district constitution ne kwa ubugabe ha security ha government program zona monitoring ne kwa na program nangwa na advising okuba local government act clear ngo RDC wa kukora on behalf of central government ala ha some guidance on certain matters RDC banu obutabatwara tinindora batu yasiba buko batarwa munywano wanje George Awanyi obuko they have called him to headquarters. Of course, he's one mukore no kujayo no also he was one of the best performing. Hat kande saho kuka osang hat kuba batwara George Awanyi no umbeni manya for a long time. Nichemangisa ngubala mahajira hano bona tabakusigireho nemwe can we also help Balam nyincho kwenda kurendera nacho tumugambire the corrupt RDCs because some of us have the lists. Can we help him abakuba RDC obwakumara kwid hatka nyinyo kwenda kurendera nacho obakumara kora hera batpap first thing chairman LC5 kawo engineer DHO sijue for contracts committee ichi no bakubuza habintu bisatu no yendaki basare enju itakurenga milioni 25 brand new car. What do you want? Chairman LC5 the day you swear in as chairman LC5 aba district bakore review chini why do we want na bamanya nguyu chairman LC5 all nyamba every district
echomba chobuzo
chairman yito kumanya ngubuli chairman wena hati na rahera today in the next 2 months na arabembeka sita na zihaya milioni 2 tokuchimanya ngubuli chairman wena garikire isomero no so kumbuza tusho no kuzaso tokuchimanya aho korra tokumanya chairman abera isomero so every chairman reka malirize so aba chairman oba kumara kubataho hati hakibaho mu gisanga RDC katugire ngo nuyisingiro kuonka nakora nazaba sembabule bamuta amagita gaburu wiki bagira ngo ngo hati at your age usimiri kujya kora ambulance zawe usimiri gukora ki ngayibuza RDC bakwamba kitage mutwaro umusanzu deputy bamama kitage mutwaro 5 mbako musara gwa milioni 2 na ikintu obuzibe bitakatembere buri wiki n'umuntu navuga hata motoka ye ya pick up amagita gahuireho omuwikemo operations of district buri wiki amagita gokorega hanu akaje wabo jinja deputy RDC amagita garagaye nobody is asking that question nage hankahi nubamugira ngwiwe buri cyakatano leta ka chiti kauna jya kugambira umwana na petrol station amagita gakutwara ba RDC zo mu mafamu gabo no makagabo no magita ga road fund yona rekera
amone finally government nenda kurwanisa corruption
kandi narekera haguciniga
agure bwa kama wanda pro ogambe wenga ogambe de chika 20 amone jona ine send government
agure program yes
jona program itono tabor atsho de chika 20 umuntu but that aside government is committed kurwanisa corruption boy mukozi wa government nakwatana baragari chigamano baram hata kajirimba mushabo ayagira imbenda garuka
hati abaturage n'abakutureba 2021 abu Dr. Beste Simbana no Western Soma M7 MPs akakata kabiri jeno MPs ba Western bakamweta bamustamisa bamjangwa kwa kulicho mshakasha last time of office akisimba tukakiri bataraberjo when the same team 2023 kuyatanje kushaze migera kuzakozo mu kuyo age limit and ankata limits ya garkayo yambo mushawe ka tukora recording ya Mandela ya bajango batumire munyenda recording ya Mandela mugende mugambire ngo akababi so tingmanya imwa batumire nguneza kurwanisa corruption NRM ka NRM in fact NRM na corruption are identical twins. Is this in corruption yarari wirumu ya NRM is numu?
How?
Because barabo abjona ko bakubarira basingira karuru bakagura karuru nijo ni corruption. Kuza kwisimba unote na bimanyaji hizisha waboko ndobwa MP bwaka constituency kama gombara shatu ngako witu n'amagombero abiri bakagakavinga mu town council zibe wotari mu kahumbi Rwambara tukujurona ni juni corruption nube babyita yita mnywano wanje yese na akurikiyeyo because na wabiralinka ko anka kwatwa howenka omukyala anita monga hoereba musasire fine na ukaba musasire kutija agende kunka omuyiwo omushoro we yagobera nkai omucho sente zihange zikuba zigwiriye muni wohurura abana bariyo ko tubakushoma amarwaro tugarama bazi amashomero tugombekirwa ngo numarungi abana no irukano kugira ngo bataha school fees konga office ya speaker yarimo 3.5 billion for donations hurura ubumbi bushatu nicuye ku mwaka road fund za district says ishatu nguzi gabije nazo nkabosco kora ko mbanzo washemera wese abazi ya costing aje umubuka de 10
bosco no wagana
ngo wabira kora bo supermarket ne gari ya MTN ni yabira gabo mbia fe no yagabira sendo muyangati because akarabo supermarket ne gari haruka MTN agaba sente so twatina abantu ngabo really tujineje setup ijo kanaza kushemerera abangira ba John yambia bihaha ngo bari bazakora reforms zo leadership ya parliament nyina mangu reforms za leadership ya parliament kumbe reforms nizo mu opposition hura abatine nekibine haza na mtu yaruzo ningaje ati leader opposition office ne yakanomu mu office omayira ka ya parliament na no kutunga sente nyingi konkosi go wayiguru number 1 or speaker if bara muganga abanyana banje ko bakigamba
teko bya yitwa atandikira
ebyo kutandikira
every little effort is welcome.
I have no problem with the effort yoko exposing abashumba icyo nyendo nkwateje n'abakutureba n'abaturikirize banyitegereze effort yona yoko exposing omushuma is welcome. Now one procedure mbase butagifollow the procedure way of doing it because omushuma tuko kwatsa mukono mki
So results
konka okuwa mukwata wakora ki nahirwe nashangira akatwire mwana wanjye ndako kanoting with a lot of intention urukuto street ya Kashatu mu stay yawe access ya street ya Kashatu ibakweta Victor Bwana road waza kufuna access ya Victor Bwana road na makanising notembera amadara agatirwa umuntu kwa yambire yari amadara bana bayabura gataho yatekaho rame y'amakoko mbara rwagati
CBD Central Business
mbara street yak warga high street abatorize na kutura batakwamanya nurga high street oza makanising oza Victor Bwana. And to make matters worse, Norgurkut is one of the expensive roads Omlimbara. Look at Kanko Simbara because because it costs 23 plus billion. Kunga kuzakora accessinga okulga makanising ningo kuza makanising ngoba thinking na ningisha.
Noro mbekire myaka nkene.
Kilometer is 1.8 kilometers.
Kare kuba kurugita gita bateka mugarti ejo breaking ya garti imyaka nkamugaga
Victor Bwana
kunga kuza kwa access muri kutoro notembera amadara gebiti haza umutayambire kwa lebera bwana bwabura kushuma yateka ho rwame y'amakoko
turuka
ni corruption
baza kubiterera
turuka hwakarese
ni corruption. So like my brother John has said, in fact the best people kunkana abo tsukwetaga ngo baga mabanza ije abakwati wabanza tukwatira abuga
baramwizera ukaza iwacu
aba kayarabiro utaragare baramadara
ukacumugamba
we najya ngo museta pyo kutambura musteno tambura madara ntuzo munyonyi ninga ntuzo muiguru
naho hemba uzahire shinani narbo
the same street
And he went there.
What do you want to bakore wiki a street age ya Victor Bwana
icyo kore bekero
nubuka gambire to utawuti
bakiye yeje baketegereza
access nunda cyaka yeje kiri mu room
just
nunda change right
street ya kubene joining amakanisingi bakajumbeka
Mechanism to Victor One. But now we have two access roads.
Is it right?
From mechanism to Victor One.
babakiza amakoko na rero
No, bazigwira.
Chorus.
Zero bazigwira, yes.
Barabze mugure da yahasha.
Yes, so really you can go and even see them.
Mukashika
So,
tuire.
ba-
Je muri ngenda tuye muri bara ninga ni.
From mechanism tumeja Victor One twina ngo TV.
Nurabati zimbe chi.
Ati after here
Rokwa Roma.
no ikirize kiri kuganga
Inka hati zimbe chi.
ekiri kuganga
Yara DC manya ngo
reka
So, no, it's okay. No, wana moderator.
reka commission atushobora
Toto.
yes atoto
reka commission
yes it is open
Commission
it was
was
open and even it was commissioned yes and ijo wano gene waingura kanani ni ryao ni shume za
Karo.
Aha, that's the excuse me. Orwene rwe rukuto orunkugambara orubakutembera amadara.
but the road was opened
Opened by who now?
yes it was open
Kandi karuko migura kora kiri gutembera amadara.
Bitka twina
But actually, fine, they are free. Yeah, no, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay. Enkuto na mukatwire for your information kampu yambo. Ora for your information kampu yambo kora utakamanya. Enkuto ni shatu.
amon baremo former ngutes caster but they were
We are former. You see, bwana
ungana
moderator.
amakoko
zuru no gunabi
Bwana moderator.
bazigwira
kuko makoko gataha man
nguteza bazigwira
Bwana moderator. Nyare binta kwiterezamu.
Onkenseji.
Twenda twira tukutambura kumanya ngo korga.
kwizira mbara ukakomplain
Ora twira tukuchimanya ngo korga kuza Kampala. No kwese shanki na ningi itano. Wajiro rukuto rubi mukaga. So mti yakuyaka kunaga masaka ukayikausha 10. Ukamjua tukunga katakutambura ta atu wargambara. Ejo mode of operation should stop. Mechanism access roads to Victor Bwana nisha tunango ezo takumanya.
amone kankubuza
Yes, ibiri ziriyozi kwigura. But should one come from my street ashumira kraski ashuma zikutemba madara ninga zikuza butoto.
actually bamwe bari make ndagambira the fiscal planning of the state ekafakare
Aha.
don't actually don't blame these people about what have
amone kankubuza
ne yakare wabazungu
amone kankubuza mbara steklak bakamwemereza bamukwata isingiro kawo bamwemereza bara muhona hajire yashekinga ibintu nogira ngo financial yana wetangire senza projects zikira kutandukana second quarter nogira ngo hata hariho umuntu araze kwata sinzi zo mujumsho people not scared ono nogira ngo umusindo tukoze
Obona rata yabakugambira. Yagambira mu commission of inquiry ya junk helicopters. Awichitinisa omuramuzi Julius Sebutinde quizzed the president of the Republic of Uganda then. Eshamukaga. Kuyabugina abandi abantu babere after the president then. Commission yayemerera. The best she could get was to be taken to Liberia. Tareire na report tine niti yakuzire wechikuru na commission kakomao na hii arajire abanyiganda sente za komaho indege za zendwane za gwire achai did not move an inch.
ezo baguze Belarus
So NRM nino njomo buzanobo
kandi shotana munyono wa karmu omudire ejo
Kandi bakamukora.
munyono wa
but which was okay or which was not okay because wenda kuchimanyaje I condemn it in one way or the other.
kamona hendele
But I condemn it in one way or the other.
bese jomunyo
Two medical doctors.
zinagere kagambo
Bari kiremanya. Two medical doctors bakuzagura enyonyi. And one has a more of
No engineer.
no engineer. Nangona ngoko somere kokombe kaninga ngoko bija konga aina kagambo engineer. But two medical doctors, Dr. Besije, Dr. Agurembonyi. Yes, his name was pronounced. But the fact, the good thing was, the good thing was, Wengawe, Unkabesije, moved with one of the Africa's first female astronomical engineer. wini byanyuma. And the recommendation they made was ngonyonya hiziragwe urama enyonya hiziragwe ecyango no kugwo tizirargeho era nikwe cyabiri so ecyo cyo wabo kubuza cyo kugira ngo musindo
abantu batinde hati
ene rero ne manyafite kuhinda makuba ekahendera etire makombe
accounting office akagama nkeje cyawe ngo nehinda makuba
When accounting office.
Harokao ayakuja government ne hinda makuba.
So let me ask you one thing. Nobora takuba wajya ngo batokwenda bakubuza. Do yemereza kawe rizoba. Nyenja kare no creating following morning you create another accounting office. You barebe kizibe kituyo tukuza kufuna na yo party ya corruption. Most cows are no longer accounting officers by districts. Almost the district zone. They appointed.
This is a last week communication.
Commission.
What about accounting officers were taking to cows, all districts, and it is just this month. But formerly cows were the accounting officers.
Commission.
Commission. No manya. Me, I was expecting this discussion. Focusing what Baram is doing in this country. But then I was not expecting history, because we're going to go history, and history this time does not teach us a Koromu Uganda. Let us not look at history and history. Ekina kuonesha bamwana wanje turebe honeke nangwana bego netigamba ngibye imamugire muta tubiyebwe tigende kugenda ibigendo bijo mesho nyoki nako akisere mbweno nyabantu professional bakashobora akisere nyuti mitegereza boba bateka bata bagenda bata I don't understand them batana baza mu TV mu radiozi bagamba kintu cya corruption cyo batana bagamba enare muri corruption manyabi habiya now we have somebody who is helping us to fight corruption. That's why tuirezo kataguno barazazi ngo abantu begambere ibashobeyire n'abantu exposing I think nkankwine kabuyanda uni samana kayagiti akayimo yareba no bwana assistant kawo atogo no mushimaro unkunko ni I think yo akana na makombe
ya mtungaga kumbe
atogo no mushimaro unkunga tumwamugambo tonga tumushimaniana abakozi ba government bagera mu panicking actually let me tell you nangwe cyukureba ngo yagwe ngo to get shortage of workers
abakozi ba
government because abengi bari retiring kushaba ari retirement kunga watabakwata because abengi negerageje kisa kuko abengi baza kurekure mu Namwe yukabenesha babana bita bashomere please be ready. Now, ekitaka bintu tugeze hatu ngutukore. Tukabente gambara abantu bitu babanyayigana. Ngutwatana sana Minister Baram nabandi because what his excellency the president okuyana gamba in future zibaje Minister Baram nakumongera ki naza kumongera abantu bokumukwasa kwasa corruption. Tukabente giramwe as a ministers. For example, I can see Minister of Works is also doing a very good job. Byamukam. Kazi n'abaramuzi nabo bataho political baraza z'abaramuzi because nabo bazikora kazi n'aba DPP nabo bataho barazaza nangwa na police bataho barazaza ningenda kugambira cyayambira government yarwa no kurasa corruption no barazaza ejo yes comrade
wagamba kunje baraya president ya ati ngaga bwana atumire Rafael Magezi ati akora busa atakajayo bukati yakora tene cyarakoze
yakoze kigambo akakora busha kandi kwa mwitegereza
ni ngambi interpretation agira kandi akajayo atanangwa asirire cyakoze ratuguruje na mubigi now ito takahi ukonora Magezi go yamuta umubaro hayi yagira tupe ataramukanza atika mutuma
Johnny bahari y'umunyakare
now
kasatara
it is high time beya account ko kugira ngo omuntu wabineho busoborozi ni president Museveni okuba sente omusaro kubasosora motoka zibakuvuga ni zeitu. How are they accountable to the citizen when the answer is nowhere? Kusaba ngo habe embinduka iteka.
Exactly.
Minister wena obwarana aja kuvetingwa ebe public jeho bitibyize nito tubuze nkabara mu kwabe babuze buzo bakao nito tubuze ba minister iwo mu ministry yawe kaba kuhira kwa state minister bakuhabwa afuru kozereki kona republic wa marama botaho minister we bya matungo tugambira mu myaka 2 otuyambira ubuta anuko babagarike oberane baba mu gihugu ekibyo tukwenda Kenya style now nyuma ngwata nakwata
yes omwambowazi nigenda kubagambira ngo bara enkore yakoramo first of all nagenda abantu corruption nagenda ba office ya DPP nagenda na police
State House and
yes nagenda na CID na office ya IDG bona babenyine kandi yaza mu districts naba yatungira reports amena petitions from wananchi abantu bahandika atakagireyo anti-corruption yokora eza ground ebazega za information n'abayisa n'abandi bona bamwereza report ekiri now yo no yakigambaho abantu abengi bari interdicted 6 months kuba chondoza
bari half pay now
bari half pay of course ekina kibenisha ba government now and his excellency the president no kureba ngu court zetu zatera hanze
president ngakore cyaho
no kureba
because the special courts and corruption court twine mo yo
yes kureba ngo because no as far as zona bone baza ku sanctioning amaze kwatwara mu corruption
so tujye regional circuits
they will be targeted in Kampala not even mu region zabo that's what I was told muri kile kibanisha ba courts start tera hanze iskaita efforts za Baram and the president and the CDF the chairman General MK kwa shaka mutatambura iganda yona abantu bari implicated umushangu yo kwiba sente ungashanye koti ya Greta yabasedenga free bizo kushanga nikitukora cyona cyabya cyabura nini
commission
so kuri kitu abantu babo istakwe shaba kandi shaba koti nazo zirebe nguzagezaho abantu bona bashagira bine mushangu bibiri sente zaga ugurwana ya kigamba ese zo ruguto rwa isingiro town council benanga waze wareno tukurura ware ruguto rutu rwadanka rwa buremba rwakakoba buremba ware rukura bako katemera kagira runaro basisururu tukura ruyare ware bitaka gichikonere baguzire bakagura mu mashanyarazi amo no mu wetrand bakataho sente millions zinga iza pumptions sikagwa. There have many things that we have seen. What again? So you can when shaba unagambejo tunagamba handi wale bashimagwa ya batafuta musimindi wale ndi nezaba kozero zone zibe zone star really when nango nango ni wakigamba sometimes I also brave bara DC zabamo. Yes, I agree with you, John.
Commission?
Yes.
Baraza z'umukora. Baramukwa bari aha na hurebi inshonga z'abantu. Habara abandi abantu mbahube bendera ya piro yo. Echo
we are not in the campaigns as nanagambire baramu yari mu region actually bendero karenkani tambura nawe because Baramu the national vice chairperson wa Pacific of Uganda agwa Western region. And in that time appear you ni yabaze kutere friend yo kubanza corruption mu Uganda. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. wareba nati abantu bacyuba nizo bari kasese abanagenda kabyanga kuba minister kwese kabyanga niwe coordinator wa PRO y'umuntu kai Rwenzori region
so numukore
yes because it appear you it is a civic organization konkabya no bitu no corruption we are trying to help the government tuyambe baram
uko mukujja mu
yes tuyambe baram hata wakushangana issues nyingi were raised na petitions na reports nyingi neza abantu ba PRO abasandikira
John yavaragariza ngo hakije mu
ekina inakwendera nacho omwambo wazi
commissioner henenya shire honorate
ekina inakwendera nacho ekindi experience y'intunjo mbaraza azezi ndebire ngo abantu bitu bahansi ba mwana yiki tabakutunga kwezi urwo muri leaders abutwina ground
kare honorate
yes
sustainability now baramugwa kwa parliament na report tara activity yo kurwanisa corruption ombiara kan baramugo itelon kan shoto mu muhango
yebare hati echo kubanza tuno turyacu ukawari umuntu na yesinjira zo mu kwita systems ngo appraising umuntu omwe hata ubwo umuntu nabari nk'igishobora cyito cyo mbakaturiki Yesu yajyatana umuntu uratenja kubahindura abajuru b'abantu instead bakaba no bahindukira abajuru Juda kamushuba je yeli zatanja
in the broad day
tombi afayi n'umuntu ajobera umujuni
yes hata katuye baha na hata nebina ansimire nabyihayo nakugerere kinaga ahabo kuba kandi ya Independence Park baramara kwihayo ebendera ya MK narangu turyo mu campaign zituri mu cyo kubinga corruption bazorinde
mureke honorate agambe
echa kabiri ate cha kabiri ngo kunana abagambire ece kiriyo nkikorwa tikisya kureka abantu batandikire campaign zikare konka bariyo mbatubiha ni nyenda twinebero bishatu nkaga na kimwe mu mwaka okay katware bishatu nkaga na bitanu umwaka ugisireho kimwe nanka kargahizo ahiya abandaze ntamanya ni nyenda mwije munyoreke files 30 ez'abantu abara prosecuting banzorinde ho ore kirerinda ho
former commissioners nabo wasgamba no yagamba ya 17 no bara yagamba gicukire because 17 commission yakagimaririza ya report ya recommendations
akakora ibi akakora iyo
akakora police iyo era ya Jack Helicopter ya Jack Helicopter zeze zaguzirwe milioni mukaga za dola from Sabia akakora recommendation number 1 middleman oli Emmanuel Katoba mkwate number 2 Major General by that time Salim Saye uyagizire nguwe bakaro abantu bamuretire ekituga cy'emdwaro cyana za dola ati nchini hanu tinguti so kulya kituga president yamjera tezi uzigaro mu government atukonko tazigaro mu government uzigaro ministry headquarters number 3 yajera ati senior ranking officers ABCD mu bakwata and we know that since then ebintu bikwatirine no busumanguzo mu mai teberahuireho konka bakacendera so commission so kwiza ekabara kumara mu kimo cyona but at least it does something
yebare hati nyeki kugamba ni cyetegereza kandi nyine kubanganisa kubona ngo ikintu kiriyo nkikorwa cyakube kino buryo konka nkikorwa umuringo mbabo kuba tikine mode of operation tikine was ahabo kuba bara muno muntu omwe aine na mere munyanya yagitaho kumanya permanent secretary baheze echa kabiri eyiba kweta state house and corruption unity ne establishing mu itekariya ermubahi no manyangu yoyonka eriova hweru mudeteyine cheko no rameje general yawo ne bamweta hitakaroho tayine chakozire hata rya nebitinisa ko kamba tera sari yutakwa wachireba hati kwara mukwate naza kumprosecute injiranka IGG nandiyo ninkwiza twine buri region twine office za IGG mbarahero deba heka nyuma yanyu hariya wanotemba kacheka ninyenda kubuza bakwasara abantu banga instead wazayo niwe ubakwata woruhiso bro wani ubakwata
Is that the practice?
yes omurimba raha omurimba raha hati
Because that's so dangerous.
imwe mwana mwenda kumanya the extent of danger
ononato agabishi chikuru waraga ukaza mu office ya IGG mbara ori kwenda kutera enduru kubamanyisa abashumu
yes
so niyo bakwendera bakwasa
mbajara ngusigara
kandi
warenda kushimanya
Commissioner ajya munama
bakarpoting itaka ryibirwe rucinda rikibwa one of the mayors of town home ari kuza kurgayo mujo bakamukwatira no wabaye ne cyandiko bamukwata hati embwe yariyo we owekerago owo mutane muri
twara document nye unyo unyenga 2022 zada two boys twara document saka kaga twakora insho twabanza mu IGG twargaye twajya kuri lunch atrudizi twarigera lunch twajya hano wa RPC ubu twabe tujyo wa RPC akero hachega hatakizire rusoke we found the man with our document mu office ya RPC
baba tegereza
na document
baba kwa
bakana kuri achega yabeta kutumanya tukavuga kuchirara
hati wachire hati ninyebuza knowledge turiyo tugamba the extent of danger nyowe ninyenda ba streamlining enkora ya nanka ya baram
serious revelation
bagire ngo mwene buri region twayohereza yo commissions wachetegereza ngo kandi commission kwera akore yakwata honorato emunyweze etamurekura
John kuba
ahabwo kuba noreba nyendagaruka mu John yagira ngo polisi nekiza yo mukuriye nguzi
John akayabone cyamutiye
yagira ngo polisi nekiza yo kuriye nguzi ekora twe kitongore kiramuzi ninyikirizana na reports zitwire ntutunga mbajya ngo polisi nekiza yo kuriye nguzi konka na ne kitongore kiramuzi echo ninyikirizana nacho 100% ahabwo kubaho ndigire korga bushenyi hina himbe yinza kora mazumu polisi naramuze nguzicere kwandika statement yo muntu wota muhireta kugihandika naguma nayetorora mpaka muraganise sente then abone gukora statement abone kwereza bond bote bakutina nka office ya bushenyi ninyenda kugambira nkabanye no mushango nyowe honorato nkazo mferde batugwera RPC ogwarigireho abasaba aragangara mabine kibina cyabo bamuhe kiboho cyesente omusango yagwita ugukinze
iwe
nyewe honorato na hati ngenda kwereze cyo kureberaho ngungahika no kuzo wa DPP nashaba ngo fayiro bagirete buri umwe yanyeshengereza ngo abashanoza ko bakoma kine ombe natabarizo wakoze statement ya police on order za RPC
bakareta ki bayabugaite ki
bakareta kiboho cyesente bakaza mu kibina barundana miliyoni abirnezi wahura n'imitina kumugamba hatiwe wasanga nkaremwa ku prosecuting omusango gwanje umupolisi yajata RPC yaragira ngo batakora statement OCCID wa region yajata nomanya atereka fayire garuka isinjuro wachire na mango chukura tawo either motoka yanje mbagitera amasasi ninga ninye ubarayi nasharamo nabireka that is the extent ya corruption itwahikaho okareba katwira bakagira ngo OCCID akatekinga pato umwana ubaterire kikatwatenzura umupolisi tabakumanya no butwa ninga niki OCCID yagera mwatate byo tinguza kubugamba omisho ga minister ino busoboruzo bukwinga no bwa high court yes minister akachiko ka parliament bakweta parliamentary committees zine powers ngezo muramuzo wa high court na aragira ngo bakome kanogumanye
konka
OCCID akajya tinguza kubugamba ko yashobira abantu bamu bakora kubama bakwira abasirikare babakizamani bamutora
ambara
ati njoniyo ni kugamba director wirwara nkambugana ruguru navuge motoka yi bamutuma ngo ayiza answering kweli ize zara yahirwaro atinjiro mu workshop Kampala
Eri yarifaro.
minister yatuma tumugende mu leta
Dr.
director yabura
Dr. Twese.
akamukora ki hati
Agaga
yes ni mumanya namanya baka ngo akar Kampala kara itinda mbugi naruguru navuga motoka ye namba ya white yazemera minister kapuka mu rwembwa bashiza nokireba niwe kandi nyenda baramu yari yo mushiza gamba sente za Usmaid enguto za Usmaid haize bakozere ku orwisinjiro numa Usmaid bakama ba company takarugamba orguto rukakoma stone dusty turukaza hoga chorus
kandi takaraba komerekea kandi takaraba
yes kungana hateka abazirire
kandi takaraba komereka wambara
aha itakaraba komereka wambara now hati nyowe
mbara ya district teacher
Care Public Council Committee ya district.
district
ya mkomesa
As we talk now, Minister is coming back. In Akuzambara district.
for the same land.
He was transferred to Feroko, but I think it's going to be recorded.
manya ninyenda ndagambere ewe amatekaga n'amarungi kuruntu gakozesa ko gakoze because na stama nyo wampereza ubushobozi bwo kurwanisa benguzi it's okay ni nkwata bureau of quantities nkwata na budget tuzaruguto wazibere bakutwara polisi immediately bakucagira hata manya wanya hata mchechi turiyo tugamba kurna twatara bakatwira abahangu aba then yaza kwikarba amono nabahoro na hele cyo kurebera abo batinda cerezo mu ntari ya hero is the biggest kurno kwatara kawo kankwatara ba minister kankwatara aba bakubaganezeze
umukuru w'irwara akajya gweze
akagira tutinda hata mugende mugambere yabura neki yakora hati nico niyo ni
kwa
kugamba
minister kamanyangu
nguhine bicere bikora
minister kamanyangu director yari around
akana kimanya instruction akatumana na DPC yirenyima mnywani wanje kabwiga ati jambo sa atanaye chikenyima na atere simu ati yanjira ngo Kampala mu workshop minister
tamana mukuru w'irwara wakati iwo bulikiro akawe w'ingemo bari musaho akwana ya akana mu rwanda kumzenda batera sawa
hati
as a concerned citizen kuba rero ari director w'irwara ngo ari mu town abo ntaragambira minister
hati mbwe najyo kanenda akakorekera najyo kanenda nyemerera hariya abo kuba kanyemerera mba boda boda nkantara hariya podium deni nyemereza mikono to within some minister ndamureba hariya rugo hona
ekizubabigambira TV kandi
no ati
kuno nyamuga bigambira
TV je yo kureba nerebwa police makers nerebwa implementers nkabakatwira n'abahibe musoro abakweshikirayo nyoni nyenda kwaraze garuka ahereze notification aja ati nyenda the following nanka mbashanga hinkuza kwerunda bora kirelindaho konka ninga kubaraje muno manya ngo honorato goreba ngo tumushuma nurunkungu ahandike note DPC arrest kindly deliver that person to my office Kampala I need that authority abo kuba nabaine executive powers bamutware ambuze tukashohoze sente zo gure byoma bya gate byaribwa direct hata mukwizinge ntureba konka areke kurgaya akajyango byona byaho
John
umambo wazi inakatobera iragambaho ose kagambari John eshogeja yani gambari bacha passions na ba mayors shangwa bengite bakwathurwemo kako gambira benjaba tiri bakusayininga it is very hard kujang
going forward obire nako chigwire akuba sente kwida district you know yeta governor bali sente mwazipitika
actually ekibashe mikwana wana babacharging nokushanga batakure mu yawe bashe mikwana bakora
RC system izire karaga mu local councils na generata na devolution na decentralization ya 1998 was abantu bagira obujunanizibwa bwokweterera karuru omuntu warababera nyampara habokuba kawo numukozi w'ekipande engineer numukozi w'ekipande sub-county chief numukozi w'ekipande hati imwe abantu mwekole mu mulumu mulete omuntu wanyu owarababera eyes on but hands off muleke kumutabu mujunanizibwa bibisente ekyo kintu kikatali kibi konka hati kusanga abantu abezire nk'abapakasa nabajyo murukwe baite kintu bachwerekereza batere kintu kishamba completely then abantu babulikiro batandika kutugera hakati nkikondere bari oku tutwine mbazi tutwine ki kuborora schedule za ba staff ijwero karora chairman ore C5 wa kwena akajara timwe aba technical heads banje bali ono birikira Kenya atwali ono bagenda yeja sahemo nikitweka ya kinga gate yagamba gate man atimbe busumuruzo kawo na abantu bakakahitano abiri sayitano bali ono bija office on a working day Monday morning sayitano bali ono bakawo abakozi ba government nukimanya ngo mu office tebajyayo nukimango abakoza kujayo na barigo mu office amukaga basigamo ko takugarika kandi Monday na Tuesday nukimango buri mukozi wa government wena oweneho aka accounting officer na mid level no mango bona bakagarika kusoma masters PhD postgraduate no manya ngo wegomborra kumusera embu yobo ntumanyo atyo kustumu wegomborra ntuma muhozi jeno muhozi ni soko mutungo mbiro bisatu sub-county chief to ino kumuya completely eboaze cyo nokimanya so now ensonga netera ngo now nadira kwebe nabimanya now mwenda abantu bagiye balamo bali unakole ibi tutahanu twine okujumirwa kwa public schools secondary na primary ngunorora ngo abana bakutandika amasomero ngo miliyoni P1 ngo abakora binanka ngo nemetwara nkaga mutwara 3 ngo abandi abora bajya ngabagamba rajagora miliyoni emwe nekitweke kutandika P1 ketaro
nango bakabagambe
miliyoni 2 kandi bitsupuli yebi aba headmasters mbatamwe bitsupuli kutunga capitation grant twine kizibu marwaro gate yona local government harfaro han every head of department na akuru mirwaro one day every consultant ni manisa bakwebo miliyoni 17
sini house officer
all of them see kandi mlimba kusobora kandi ibichurungi bona abantu banje kandi bakutudanja nanka Dr. Marvin Mtakoha mtabana professor han nwakora urology clinic it operates on Tuesday kuboreto umuntu wawe Wednesday wamwiha natekwa kuguma aha mulinzire paka konke bere bindi biona nabal han hakliniki yaho hehinekerezi ogo mukazi murozi muhindo witu kasese tinga 2 days niza kukora is one of the senior physicians Professor Chitia who at least can akora twice Monday and Friday.
Okay, is that official?
One omwenda kandi ngambira and 2 days one omwenda noje hirwarori hal hamakani sing who will every head of department at Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital talo wakora ko esaha ina in a day or more than 2 days in a week. Nobody. How much do we give them? 17 million. Who at Dr. Jamila is the senior specialist or ear, nose and throat, ENT. 17 million. Go and look for her. Kubo ja harfaro, mamara kukibiyo takamboini. Kubo ja divine mass, mbamutera 30 minutes na ya kuchajinga milioni. So, now ni akugambira na divine mass hospital. Abona every single hospital mu Mbarara mun erhango ya private talo herine doctor nomo whether it is Doctors Plaza whether it is Mayanja whether it is divine mass bona na government bona mbapa teminga every single hospital in Kampala in Uganda IHK Kampala hospital na Kasero hospital talo iwaro na rimu erine senior doctor senior consultant ngutalo wa government bona all of them Peter Chwanuka all of them bona na government do they work in Murago? The answer is no. So every bit structural bala mna atandikira konka lero every guruye no honorato ya jirangu system semiri kuba abandoned completely okuba bwara abandoninga kawo no gwaranga kwibe sente konko umuntu akaleta umuntu we harfaro atakozerweho simply because Dr. Alma Mayanza bama milioni 2 n'ekitweka ono muntu yaraga kabayanga tire na 10 ntujya kuba twakora ki twakora busa so structures gumeho
nangenda kongereraho
yes sir
muhendere nyandero kwa amani
yo na hendere
tuyine kizibo mu primary schools na secondary aho nho bagiso hata muri yeji campaign ya barambarga hari obira takuhagiso sente abe namukora ho report ngo na leta abana bagwiye Echo chirebere
that true
yes amashomera minjaga agaba headmasters babiri implicated nyine clients barwa headmasters nyine clients barwa planners
so wanga kutugera giso
wabe ko utakutugera giso mbakureta huku nge nanka nkikonde ngwenu hatu noza hori wori ya level ya district kanyama antabansasize omurutaro rwarebere mba kansara zabayiro C5 because they have no capacity to handle
Tayari West irakaritu turi mu program iraka kandi urwakana kwezi kwa turi ndbowazi tumwesije nyine abakuru nyine commissioner omukuru Paul Katwire Karamuzi kandi memba mukuru omupiro yu namba 3
kana akora twa general asande namba 38
okay
mwene cyo chine significance
ya abakuche tegereza bagendegereza so mpiro yu ogura akira rwasande cyo nangenda kumenya
Jono na
continue
nyine honorato mhanguzi neroya nyine mukuru Amon Rubarema na memba wa PFF hamwe na Tona John wa NRM umukuru Amon umuntu mukuganira eje shonganira gwa yoro twena twasirwo eje discussion ugira ikaba nka ahiya kugira meaning because napore na ikireza ebizu na honorato aine personal experience from every angle John yakushobora ikishane cyubasa no kuruza ukajya milioni 15 umuntu tabaho ntantu ukora MPs nangu MPs kamba spending umukaro but Dr. milioni 15 neze kubwiga hari discussion y'ijoro cyangwa kaza ngahi ukubasa korga mu bijuma kutambire hangere we am option you can government yako nyo option itero
bagateka ngai bagashangira mutu so atwaje ngo takahindura government no babashangira mutu tabaze tarazawe 1 2
yuke tari
abatezi bakaruru matches honorata Kesimbang na Simba John taresimbire ka Paul taresimbire but n'abatezi bakaruru nibija batiyenda baenda bagira akatinki kondere abo nsho icyo nyando nyereke na kamera nkirebe muje because tihine member wa parliament urama tihine member wa parliament bwana moderator uriyo mu parliament utaratire mu sente mu karuru
so abanyegana mbakora
bikirize akwana bakabiyekora umugenzi kazora kakagamba je akahurira akashansha kayombaga na wakikozero cyemere okucyaka na kigumi
so abanyakore mbabujya
so bajigira akati nkikondere tu aba leaders abutwine
amono no mangwe no juma abantu bite
but nbobo kuchikora
so abanyegana mba
no bwana moderator nkabarira abantu bashema bakwe 15 emyaka 5 nababa kwire shiringi abiri na mushanju n'ubucweka 39 burizo uwo tari hapa second shiringi 5 tuzikubipinga konka member wa parliament yakwera ngo yubowazo shemere shiringi abiri na mushanju n'ubucweka 39 babura kucyetegereza
no wahoye
so wakozira abiri na mushanju ikirizo tobenazo John nakatwire n'abalisi John nakatwire n'abalisi wabo katwire nayo ko kanga birende tinkwempano kungate nazo mukatare nkajigura ninga kijo nkajigura gakobwa dabo binecyo kanombaje mpano
navya
so abanyegana ko muri muyikirize kwetu arankaboro hurira tukatwine seroga naho musti ngo tubino mworo witi hurira yo muntu no yebembere kivuge myaka 15 no bomworo so twakimeze ntekateka za kuji akucara wajya uraba mbatka kandi gambe genje za kuji kubura kubona bebembezi abaratagasire tukabura kuronda both levels because ati ngaciyama no wabo kugamba
umutono wakamba jangu biniki
ngo bino mworo wabo kubagenzera no mworo wabo yabagwisiza kagwe jono nabimanya ibintu ndabize munonga no barari wafusomora waga bagwisiza kago mworo wabo now abanyayiganda twatakagarikire aha drawing board tukamenya ngo twine cyo twenda tukore tukahugira kuba bamahurire nza kurwana isenguzi inguzi itwe benyine abanyayiganda twatakamenya ngo twine kugerwanisiza nza neza kuturema and lastly ekinta kwitereza munanye nkahonorato no kwita systems twina amashomero gakagase aga primary in fact nagugote gamanyaga iganda gumwina ga primary negagamba omutwaro gumwe n'2023 nkaga na ni anana mwenda tumutwaro gumwe n'2023 anana nkaga na mwenda so twina ka tujengo twina omutwaro gumwe n'2022 twataho mu 12 ga secondary agona amashomero nko mutwaro na n'10 nuko kujengo gaze mugona takagira ki takagamara wenga but if systems are there nuzibasa kushumaya nketorero mu andambasita enchiko nyingi zona za ezebitongore bya government zigiremo ngana gambira ngo ikinabire nyine mu interest munonga ikabere Uganda Revenue Authority konkana bono baranda staffing bagaruka barera under budgeting urira basoroza na sente basta account itizambukirwa gutira ki kiruka nazo trillion 10 konkana bo tibine bakozi tibine ki
irwaro ryambara rya 26%
turi kumwe so
26%
twataka improvingire ibi bari bo kutugambira in fact twataka improvingire tukafuna staffing kumara nabamu nabatakora bakazo mu workforce bakaleta n'imishoro y'ikire nezirozi kwibwa nza kuguma tukurira but finally ebibire bikorwa ikirunja binja abanyaganda babyetegerize
nabanyenda kwa abata staffing level ataka kirije abariyo mbatureba mu Uganda hati omuntu ari akusi ari kwika kubura no mushomesa wa primary
ntakabura kubura
omusomesa wa primary ahabo kuba PTC zikacinga universities ziratungereza yinda curriculum yo kushomesa abashomesa ba primary hatu wazo mu mashomero harimo abakumura harimo abakuvuga boda harimo abarigire mbakaza kufakafuna hatu waza kwetegereza amashomero mingi nushanga out of nkishomero sheme kubanda barine abashomesi 12 biyina abashomesa abana baje kugereza irwaro ryito ryambara refaro imwe mu kwirukiramo kasanga umuntu nayiza staff yari rya 26% mwe ko barembenda abakozi igana bine haba n'amba
so abane shazo na barate
hati omwihangere twinitekere kugira ngo buri irwaro ryishaza omuru burishaza habe hari mu irwaro rya health center ko at least ribinimwe doctor oba general oba ena doctor konka bariki ariya level ya doctor kandi hansi yaro clinical officers babiri waza kwetegereza waza nko muri isingiro yitu oyihire mwaga gempunjaga kwijanga atunge za UN no shanga bagerezaho bine clinical officer now hati twaza kungira taro hatu wahurira ngo bara marona age recommendation kwaji twiro mu cabinet yakora hoki
including rwambara nesinge
okay
tizine district hospitals
no wait isingiro
including rwa
henderamo
mwene yomba regine mwamba na yete jine na churuhura tejine
abantu mwe bakwata kuba turebara bateshinze kutureba because umwana wa Amon nazumirwa umwana wa John nazumirwa yata bwine bizaza bininga sikwitaga ngo John abazaze kwesa influence ninga muna kwesa influence mu Nigeria TV umwana aragurizwa pana ezaka ezo miyumsho abatizi bakaro oguwa birogana amwe mwana rero nyecyayi so finally arobanywano banya bari a program.
Thank you.
Nywano wanje Alex na bachikakase
kare tutwahereza
mumbangure
kare
kubiriya ya program
kare katunge feedback akurgo katunge feedback
mathematics ya ndo na kusukura kitimo mukati kubo muntu mwitano kisanja njye nisa kwezi kwa mwasi mchana nisa kuchanda chuma mezi ngaho so tukugira ngo abere na musanzu kwa date cook nikinara na isatu pa mansi
yabara mnonga yabara mnonga reka tu hine abantu bamba tureba mase Kanyamisa ari chenoni Kanyamisa ni shangwa chenoni agira ngo tine MP ori parliament owo mutezi wa Karuru yihire sente umunshaho kandi nabo bakiresire ecya sente mase Kanyamisa ari chenoni Dr. Freddy ari aha master clinic muri Banda ajyanywe nshonga bwenki 2023 nagumana ndakwesima abo MP boro miyaga nanda kutereza nshonga nkezi bamwita Dr. Freddy
ensonga zibezero last year abakiterisimbira last year
aha anagera nkonka
ensonga zibezero no last year these same problems were there abata kabe kize myaka 18 na
sasa Steven na wana wache noni ya natureva tugumya Alphonse mpikahona nagira ngo naramsya na asima ba piro yu ngo mongere okurwanisa obushomankuzi tugumya Alphonse mpikahona ningira ngo nazo messages inche abo bwiri no wachujuma aturire na Radio 5 amwe bahurire Radio 5 kandi basindika message aha sumu abugira ngo nabamanya from another angle so twaza kuhendera program twesede chike mwemo John nogira ngo reporting keji itwa generatinga president najimanko kutujumanya ngo things are this tense bad concerning
president nabimanya andu wini baraha yeji iyo somere headlines zonka ajizira ati
oh yowe na somere headlines zonka
yeah umuntu tujitahire mu kujumaliza and it was very brief, it was just one
so page. What shows na somere headline
kana nakugambira content wa you doubted the content
no we talk kugamba ngo yajya ngo akakora busha
yeah umnyimanyisa nyona hindura nabito burju kagira ati ngatuma minister nanga ngatuma minister nanga aroho cyakozere cyona completely ati nicyo namuvigiri
na azaba kutureba John tumunyangore so mwe icyakwa nakumanyisa cyo cyenyine
so umubarahani yemwe byagira ati no state house wanje hano udike ngo anti corruption unit ya state house no kustam yagira atabona tine cyo bampeyire ati byamukama Fred yatumwe yandetira amahurire ngo hano kundora mbasasura miliyoni 3 so na institutions akayagarikira yahandikire ebarahe nyuma kugira ngo haro institutions obuzikurema okakozesa other means hat state house ga state house abaswahili mbajeta makama ku amaka makuru ga president kuba nago gagalumu umuntu kugira ngo kumurora lete miliyoni 3 hakaburo ya reportinga samfu young man otingo wakata kabirira minister akata kabirira MP mu ya reportingira ati atowawo honga aliyoka hukumu 30 million kundora so corruption hano mu Uganda neso butahwera kuchuma complete konka kujya kwaho ntatekwa kubaho ecyabala Mariona akora to empower the citizenry number 1 to speak kano aba manya bono baleta raw information ibakureta ni mugaso gwa government to sieve it and condense it then bakajihamu information eyesok piningo muntu nalyendi ni rumors konka tinta obdurisi tubukumara bakataro but at the end of the day
okay
popular vigilance ya civilian zaba mukoro bakasamba budongo abeine nkitemwe mwa neyamba abakasa next phase semiri kugera ngatu tuje mu cyaro umugombora nari mu constituency nanga abakozi abana abanya bakora mu government anu amukutekereza ngo they have obtained wealth illegally naba people will give names kandi no kumanya ngubaliyo okuyana sasuba bayura injo kwenda kwendera nacho every small stuff because we have our relatives there umuntu we no akora ameza 3 mukaga navuga motoka minister atakuvuga na naramuzitaka in square miles any junior person ni twena tukimanye no bako babahano bambara no bakwamba ma milioni 3 milioni 4 milioni 2 in the next 3 months na wal munwanuwe nagira tugende ngorambuze yinguzire famu sanwe yangu so obusuma buri uko nawo rwingi uri obusuma ku Maroc president enkora yawe mbabazi ya mwakwata nanka ya sabo kiganiro mu mureke egerijyo enkora yo kugira ngo ogu tugambire nawe we have panel I think enkora ya netamungu abantu bakaragayo bagamba ngo gutwamuganyira of course netamungu hakata roho musango abaganda ngo nkarakalido babe bamutiro umusango butugutukumanya ngabahekera gukana kugira ngo no sotakana ayenda influence ya amani haba MPs kandi yarenga aba MPs yaja no church no local councils usanga ndeta mongo a number ya council ayona including a council in Muizi it was not proper konka kugira ngo wakalia sente kiri yaho kirabeireho ohireho cyakubeireho court process abanza aje mu court aje harmanda then arigayo bagira ngo ubuturizi bwabo
atesha taru proper ni cyo muntu kugira mana gairondire oguma
mwita dokozisaki
oguma mwita 14 beshumba
ubonye viagora utari kazi you must die
14 beshumba runga kuruga karaza kayikoti nagira ngo ubushomankuzi tubukabire kwa mu Uganda bwo kuba government katesa bashomankuzi cyarenga ayisenzi za government zitandikire kufa kunogera ngo tuyina bembezi bari serious nkabaramu yanga kuriyo mbuteka kandi service kuna ikabantu babutosha ubwire amone twenere program ndashikemo
tubara nonga bana takureza enoleza joni ya koromuro mugunashimire kora mwinji ya nyamboni nza kumusima akweza yateka horo information itakwetagana kuraba mukaje
ejo niyo shonga we pero hero opposition
but what wa of course that wa gita amatena maize nibyagana actually
nakora cyai kuchumba gabadega kwa Kenya no chungura mu
tukutambyagana no tamamize
n'amatena gamize manje
right now echecho gamba nobore wanchusa mindset nanda kwenda kukigamba ngo wakiresere kanki gambaho
wajya ngo joni yabo
abanyayiganda bakabafera kozo washanga ngo the sitting government ombero 10 nechikozesa civil society organization kuba niyo bayibembeza nke gukora kimesa ngo civil society nanka civil society organization zanazikora in failed states. So this is another failed state. Aitu kurebera na nindeba akakuyoka kurominga on social media the Orlando challenge yakora ngo tukine na kote zikurikiriza AI generated activities. Okay, shangato mudakwereka ngo yare cyane cyamoni nakwereka ngo mwazo naza kuba stamina we nobwo ari yo motive ngahati ko yachitwara so wanyamusibura abantu aba baturize mamuri yabarebe baronje kandi nimo abakora feedback numukore cyamani abo kumera tayari and I'm very glad this time actually tubire twirobiro takutugambira ngo Radio 5 is taking us on like as usual. So Radio 5 ni mwe baregara ku partnership kandi nanazo nyine banywano banje bahurikirize na mina bakutureba hari umwana witari yako kiruhura mama agirize na ngeri ya mawe FIB
Okay.
nantakuramize nimba nakubyaza amanya ko nimangu shayo naza kunyita kandi kana nukurikiriza
Yabara mnongo.
a Radio 5 no muhuruteza mnongo wa Bowaza na Radio 5
Okay.
then nababona aragambira ho mutawuni bachikaka sena team
Kare.
na mwana wanje Alex nabande n'abanyamwizi
Kare. Yabara mnongo.
mwe bari kuba bari bari
Kare. Professor Emo muri banda niwe bare kutureba. Honorato tuhendere program ndashikemo. Way forward.
Yabara mnongo. Naye nchireze sima basinduka messages. Nareba mbatcha Innocent. Nareba mba Kurisi. Nareba n'abantu binjaba bakatabarwa n'abandi.
Nabakorera.
Nchimanyisa ngo TV ejo nongereba mnonga kandi nchitugarra mu amani. Yenda kusima management no kutereza obwire. Ngakinkwenda kubagambira. Ngo muganda Uganda murebe yo mpora. Ogu Prime Minister ho nabanja Robin kuba muhiro bwa Prime Minister yaraba mukatare rero yacacaza hangu twabona Prime Minister ahiya ahorire takarebekaga akahora oba bakamushukamiza agagara muna freezer na buriyo norubare chikakoma ogwanga na wakiza yacacaza rya ruguto yatambuze bijere bamujyangu ya Mario
kahom
na nogogo baramu hato omukristaya ine cyeshongoro ngo matati no rugamba no rwakanya kache of course ito baramu kacunchumwiremo ndenda
hendera hono
baramu kacunchumwiremo ito bamwe twabona cyacuro ako abahango nkabaka twire nkabana ijana aboroga tkani uri kumamateka ga corruption atingerere mbabazi ito tegerize bakora ubuzuruzi bibi tubahezeho wakire
commission
umugote mani imbuzo police na
commissioner niyo yire cyangwa cyo kusibura
kongeza kwendera kandi akabishisha natangara mwana wanje wajyango Uganda is a failed state. Uganda is not a failed state. Uganda is a country that is progressing economically and socially and politically.
It's a functional state.
It's a power state. Ekindi cyakabiri kinagenda gambira abantu abagenda batureba nyonka benisha abantu bitubanya Uganda. Government tekwija kubasa wansa corruption etene support ya mwananchi. Ngenda kusema abantu mwena barigire mwena mukagamba ebe mukumanya kandi murebere kandi mukashwaza abarubenguzi. Nkabenisha ba honorable minister atakashire baramu akoza kwija because rimangu anytime nazaga ko muri region yitu.
Okay.
Nigeria
Anytime I'm not sure because rimata kwa program ze utanyitsa abantu. Nkabenisha bangu hareje abantu mucooperating nawe tubase kurenga twageza wihangeri.
Okay.
Abarubenguzi babe exposed kandi sente za government zibayire bagira bata bigara bayishashura. Kabeni nishabana courts zitu za Uganda please mutuyame na police investigating officers
kandi mu baradisa bakutahira police
please ikindi cyagenda kushemeza izina bagira ngo all RDC in Uganda bona not all RDC ngo failing. There are some RDCs who are doing a very good job. I want to thank them.
Okay.
And I know there are some
who have failed also.
Thank you. Mwebare mnonga.
Yabara mnonga. Ndera kwebaza tunawe John yabare kutayira kireki, yabare amonero barema kutayira, yabare honorato muhanguzi kutayira, yabare Paul Katwire kutayira. Ndera kwebaza camera persons bitu Ian hamwe na Alex hamwe na Silva watahambeho. Hamwe na producer witu Martin Nevie ntwenda okusasara umushongozi family y'umushongozi ranganwa dole pato na fire wikeji umushongozi wa Amerika na Amerika bahanikire benera yabo kimwe cya kabiri omuku musima bwe mirimo yakozire ahasagara n'abantu Bowazi tumwesije tugaruke turebane urwa kanisa biteri kwija niraka aha tayari westira karitu murare kurungi.